Good morning. Let's learn concord or subject-verb agreement and how we can apply subject-verb agreement for simple present and simple past tense. First, we should understand that we need to know about singular and plural form of the subject and the verb. We can write S for singular and we can write P for plural. There is a rule that we must keep in mind when we have to learn the concord. The rule is this simple. Whenever a sentence starts with I or a sentence starts with you, it should be followed by a plural verb. So when a sentence starts with I or you, it should always be followed by a plural. And there is an exception. There are sentences that starts with he, she, they, we, it, etc. So there, how we do the subject-verb agreement. Remember that. Singular subject is always followed by a singular verb. Plural subject is always followed by a plural verb. I is singular, and you should understand that I and we, they are first person pronoun. I is singular, we is plural. So when I comes in a sentence, it should be read. The verb should be read. We can't add S to read. We already learned that I only takes plural verb. So it should be simply read. We is a plural subject, should be followed by a plural verb. That is why we write stay, where we are not adding any S to the word stay. Next, it is you. You is second person pronoun. You is singular. You should always be followed by a plural verb. That is why we write write. And in the word write, we are not adding any S to it because it is plural. So we know that you is a subject that takes plural verb. Right. Now next it is he. He, she, they, it. These four come under third person pronoun. Where he is singular, she is singular, they is plural, it is singular. He should always be followed by a singular verb, where we add S to the verb speak. That is why it becomes speaks. I hope it is clear to you. Why? Why we have used so? Understand that yes, we have added to the word speak because he is singular, that should be followed by a singular verb. So singular verb will always add S to it. She listens. Why listens? Because yes, we add to listen because it shows that it is singular verb. They is plural, should be followed by a plural verb. So that is why play is just the plural form where we don't add S to it. Then the last one is it. It is a singular pronoun. It should be followed by S. Now we are going to learn how the same kind of words are changed into simple past. I read, where read changes to read. In simple past, you say it as read, but the spelling is R-E-A-D. We is followed by stayed, where we have simply added ed to the word, becomes stayed. You wrote, their write change to the past tense form wrote. He spoke, their speaks change to spoke in past tense. She listened, their listens change to listened. Why it changed to listened? Because we have written the past tense form of listens, that is listened. Play, they play. We write in simple present. In simple past, it becomes they played, where we add ed to the verb. Now, what is the last one we have? It. It is followed by was. Why it is was? Because in simple past tense, is changes to was. Right? So I hope it is clear. Any doubts here?